It started like any other lazy morning, until Miso noticed something strange. Pop, of course, was more focused on breakfast than mysteries. But Miso was on the case. She could sense something was off. Pop just watched, wondering what all the fuss was about. The socks were gone. All 3 vanished. Time to get organized. Miso created the ultimate sock investigation board. Pop still had no idea what was going on, but he liked the drama. And then, the fuzz trail, a clue. Even Pop started to believe something mysterious was going on. A sock? Or a lost grilled cheese sandwich? Pop remembered that sandwich. He wasn't ready to say goodbye. And that's when Miso discovered the sock vortex. And just like that, the socks began to fall, one by one, softly drifting from the mysterious vent. A left sock landed on Pop's head. Miso caught another midair with a triumphant pounce. Case closed. With balance restored to the laundry universe, Pop and Miso did what they did best. They flopped onto the couch, wrapped in warm socks, and declared it officially snack time.